These overnight oats are cheap, easy, and perfect for breakfast meal prep. I make these when I want something filling in the morning without the hassle of cooking. Today, I'll show you how I make my classic overnight oats plus 2 simple upgrades you can mix and match. As always, the full ingredient list and their approximate cost will be shown at the end of the video. Alright, let's start. For this recipe, you'll need a small 10-ounce or 300 ml mason jar, just the right size for one serving. If you don't have glass jars, any container with a lid will work just fine. Let's start with the classic overnight oats. In the jar, add half a cup or around 50 grams of whole rolled oats. Whole grain rolled oats work best here. Instant oats can turn too mushy while steel cut oats stay too firm even after soaking overnight. Next, add 1 tablespoon or around 10 grams of chia seeds. This helps thicken the oats and gives them a smoother texture, plus a bit of fiber and healthy fats. Next, add about 40 grams or around 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. This is totally optional. You can skip it or add more if you like. It makes the oats creamier, adds a bit more protein, and has some good bacteria for your gut. Next, add about a tablespoon or around 18 grams of honey or maple syrup for a bit of sweetness. Then add a small pinch of cinnamon powder for a bit of warmth and extra flavor. Next, add about 130 ml or roughly half a cup of milk to bring everything together and help the oats soften overnight. You can use any type of milk you like. Dairy, almond, soy, or oat all work well here. Give everything a good stir, then cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. By morning, the oats will be soft and ready to eat, and they'll keep well in the fridge for up to 3 to 5 days. Let's make another one using the same base. Start with a half a cup of rolled oats, then add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Next, add your mixed nuts. I'm using about 30 grams or roughly a quarter cup. They'll soften overnight but still keep a little crunch, which makes the texture really nice. Add a small pinch of cinnamon, then around a quarter cup of Greek yogurt. Then add about a tablespoon of honey for some sweetness. And finish it off with about half a cup of milk. Give everything a good stir, cover and refrigerate just like the classic version. Let's make one last version using the same base. Start with half a cup of rolled oats, then add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Next, add about 20 grams or roughly 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. You can also use any other nut butter you like. This gives it a slightly richer taste compared to the classic. Then add the rest of the ingredients: cinnamon, yogurt, honey, and milk. Give it a good stir, then cover and refrigerate just like the others. If you're into simple and practical recipes like this, consider subscribing. We post new ones every week. Alright, let's see how this 3 turned out. Let's start with the classic. Make sure to give everything a good mix before eating. Time to taste. Nice and thick and not too sweet. This one's simple, creamy, and really easy to eat in the morning. Next, let's try the mixed nuts version. You get more texture here from the nuts. They soften nicely overnight but still keep a bit of crunch, which makes this one more filling. Personally, I like this one best. And finally, the peanut butter version. Bananas would have been great here, but they were all sold out when we filmed this. This one's richer and more satisfying. Now, I'll dress up the classic a bit. Slice up some fresh apples and use them to top the oats for extra crunch and freshness. You can use any fruit you like here. Berries, bananas, or even mangoes would work great with any of these flavors. You can enjoy it straight from the jar, but serving it in a bowl with toppings makes it feel more like a proper breakfast. Alright, let's taste this one. I used to think adding fruit wouldn't make much of a difference, but it really does. That little bit of freshness and crunch from the apples really brings everything together. Honestly, this is the kind of breakfast that's easy to keep coming back to. It's simple to make, affordable, and you can switch up the toppings depending on what you have. If you're prepping for busy mornings, these overnight oats are guaranteed to make things a lot easier. Which would you try first? The classic, mixed nuts, or peanut butter? Let me know in the comments. Here's the full list of ingredients I used along with their approximate cost. You can pause the video or take a screenshot so you can save it for later. A quick shout out to Lodestone5833 for this comment. Thank you for the support, I really appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which version you tried first or how it turned out for you. Subscribe for more easy and practical recipes and click the video on your screen right now for another simple recipe. Thank you for cooking with me, and I'll see you in the next one.